In this video, I'll show you how to create an AI avatar in Google Gemini using the new 2026 method. Click the Ask Gemini input field at the bottom of the screen, and a menu appears with several options. Select Upload Files and a File Explorer window opens. Choose the photo you want to turn into an avatar, and it uploads with a loading spinner. Now type your prompt describing the avatar style you want. For this example, I'm requesting a clean, stylized avatar with shoulders up, flat illustrated style, simple bold shapes, plain teal circular background, suitable for a profile picture, and to keep the face recognizable. Click the Submit button, and the screen changes to Creating Your Image. After a few seconds, your generated avatar appears in the chat. Click on the image to open it in full screen view so you can see the detail. Click the back arrow to return to the chat interface. To create multiple expressions, type a follow-up prompt. For this example, I'm asking to generate the same avatar in 4 expressions in one image: neutral, smiling, surprised, thinking, same style, same background, then click Submit. Gemini generates 4 variations of your avatar with different expressions. Click on the image to view it full screen. Click the Download Full-Size icon in the top right, and a Downloading Full-Size notification appears. A Save As dialog opens where you can name your file, name it Avatar1, then click Save. The Download Complete notification confirms the file has saved. Click the Download Full-Size icon again to save another variation. Name this file, name it Avatar4, and click Save. Click the Recent Download History icon in your browser toolbar. Click the Open Folder icon to view your saved avatars in the File Explorer. Click on Avatar1, and the image opens in your default image viewer, showing your first downloaded avatar. Close the viewer to return to the File Explorer. Click on Avatar4 to view your second saved avatar. If your avatar doesn't look quite right, you can refine it by asking Gemini to adjust specific elements like the background color, the illustration style, or the level of detail. The more specific your prompt, the closer the result will be to what you're after. You can generate as many variations as you need in the same chat by continuing to send new prompts. Gemini remembers the previous context, so you don't have to re-upload the photo. All your generated images stay in the chat history, so you can download them later if you forget to save one. And that's how to create an AI avatar in Google Gemini. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.